From the dawn of time, people have always wanted power. Our artists sing songs about it. Some use money, politics, influence, and a lot of things. There was a book named 48 Laws of Power. This book was so influential and insightful, it was banned in prisons and even in some countries. It articulates 48 laws to attain and maintain power. And would you believe that these laws are used knowingly and unknowingly around us every day? Even in music, whether they talk about the gangster life or love, most dance hall songs echo the sentiments of how to get, maintain, or take power. Law 4. Always say less than necessary. Even if you're saying something unoriginal, it will seem original if you make it vague, open-ended, and mysterious. Powerful people impress and intimidate by less. The more you say, the more likely you are to say something foolish. In Jamaican culture and the whole history of dancehall, this is probably one of the most observed laws to date. Most of the gangster or gun songs express this thought fully, sometimes every other line. Saying less than necessary adds an air of mystery and intrigue to any character. Saying things in a vaguely exciting way will always capture the attention of the masses. From artists to politicians use this tactic to persuade, double-speak, and captivate. Even in dancehall distracts, or even in clever lyrics, saying too much will actually make the line less clever or effective. The two artists, over the years, that have mastered this law, to some extent, are Alkaline and Vybz Kartel. Essentially, Vybz Kartel has used these laws to captivate the minds of the masses for the better half of a decade. Alkaline has taken this law to the extreme, doing less than 5 interviews in the last 5 years. His lack of chatter has preserved his word and enables both his fans and he himself to focus on the contents of his music rather than he as a person. At times, whether it's in their music or in real life, they say too much, cheapening their words. An artist that has transgressed this law is Silk Boss. In a viral interview, he stated that he told his friends that he was going to buy a brand new BMW vehicle. His friends later robbed him at gunpoint and mercilessly beat him in a viral video. Saying less would have prevented this entire situation. Anything that is easily accessible is taken for granted.